Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So in this particular video we are going to talk about two different things. The first being we have a data set intact that I have created. It's a random data set where we have already only years and only months, so we don't have anything as date, and both are in general format. As you can see, both are in general, no date, month and anything. So in QlikView we don't have anything called data types. So here we're going to learn about how we can load this year and month in the QlikView, and second being I will teach you how to create a robust data model, so that if you integrate any other tables or data source in your QlikView, you don't have any you are not going to face any issue. So these are the two things we are going to talk about. The first being I will tell you how to load this data set, and second being how to create a robust data model. So this video can be a bit long, so just bear with me. So let's go to the first part. So we have a two sheet, the first being year, month and the sales. So till April we have sales, and second sheet is till April we have quantity. So let's go here. So I have already built it, so I will show you how you can do it. So first being, always give a proper name to your table. So I am giving a sales as a table name and loading. So what I'm doing, year as a sales year. So year we don't have any problem because year must be a numeric number, so we don't have problem. But in month we have to specify, because every time if we want to connect two different table with a when we create a data model, you will get to know that why it's important. So if you go and see the table view, we have one connecting table, and in connecting table we have something called month, and this month will be used for connecting the month for both the table. So if we have something called Jan, and in another table we have something called January, so both are different, but in general sense both represent months only. So we have to create a single table that denote months, and both will be connected to both the quantity and sales table. So that exactly what we have did here. So we are just doing, if the month is Jan, we are numbering them as 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 12, and we are taking the month from the date and date hash. So date hash will try to find out that this is a date column, and it will converting the date and taking out the month, and it's taking in the format of YYY. So it's taking this as a sales month. So now it's identified that this is a month column. Similarly, if you want to extract month year, you just have to replace month with month name, so it will take the month year of the same thing. So this is the year part and this is the month name part. So now you got month year also. So, and always try to create a unique key, and the unique key can be the combination of you already have a year column, put some random symbol, your month combination, and then put the name of your table. So my table name is sales, so I'm taking sales and then giving the name as sales key. So always try to give the column name, alias them, if we have year, sales year, if we have month, sales month, if we have month year, we have sales month year. Similarly, key, we have sales key. So exactly the same way I have did for quality also, taking the quality year, quality month year, and then creating the combination of year, month and the name, quantity as quantity key. Now both the sheets are loaded. So now the best part we have to do is to connect them. So now I'm combining both the topic right now, how we have created and uploaded those Jan Feb, the general format, into QlikView. Now we are going to see how to create a robust data model while connecting both of them. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to create a table name called connecting, and I'm loading the year, the sales year as simple as year, month as month, sales month year as a month year, and sales key. Then there is a resident sales. It means that if I am loading into a new table, from where I am loading this all the data sets from, all the column names from, I am calling this all the column names from a table called sales. So I am using resident sales, and then I am doing a outer join which will join this table with another table where I am taking the quantity, quality year, quantity year, quantity month year, and key everything, and alias them as similarly year, month year, so that we have a common year, month and month year for both the table. if I make sense, I guess. And here we are doing an outer join so that this both table will be joined. So if we have another table, you can just put outer join here and you just give the next table their year, rename that their year as year, month as month, month year as month year, and their key. So this is how exactly you can create a new table called connecting table. Now if you go to the table view, you can see we have two table called sales and quantity, both is connecting with a single table called connecting table, and this is called something called a star schema. So if I just if we have a multiple table, you should have seen it better that we can have multiple tables. Like if we have a table called expense, so this expense will be connecting back to this connecting table, it will looks like a star. So yeah, so exactly what I have did, then I took a month column. If you go to properties, see I'm using a month column name here and a column called year, and this both are just I'm randomly putting this total sales and total quality. So what I did is I took a chart property and took the sum of total sales and exactly the same as sum of total quantity here, and now you can see if I press Jan, it will work for both of them. So on Jan we have total sales of 100, total quantity was 10. So I hope in this video I have cleared you about how you can load the data set if that is in general format, and second being how you can create a robust data model in the QlikView so that you can add multiple tables to it and it will like allow you to function very easily. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and see you in the next video. Thank you.